Metals traded extremely bullish, specifically gold, has seen the next move towards 3440 levels while silver struggled at 332025. Now, what to expect today from gold and silver? As we have already seen, the metals erasing the gains from yesterday. Almost half of it is done. See, gold has now seen trading at 3374, while it has already seen the lows at 3360, and silver trading now below $33 level. So, what to expect today from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, today is a big day. We have the FOMC meeting, and the rate cut decision will definitely impact the metals here. So, what to expect? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. That will give you further clarity on how to profit with the US session and with the Fed here. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, on the hourly charts, you can see gold is trading in this extremely bullish channel here. See, first side rise, sideways movement, then a strong bullish breakout retracement, then again a good rise, and it has erased the gains here. Now, it is very important for gold to trade below 3350, 3320, and 3300 levels. Three levels here which gold needs to break. If and only if it trades below 3300, we can say now we are ready for a round of drop which is going to be massive and strong as well. Yes, if it stays below 3300, that is the point of time you can confirm now it is on sells, and you can just stay with the sells here. It might possibly go towards 3240, 3200, and in fact lower levels, but right now the signs are not supportive of such a drop. What is happening here? You can see it is trying to draw a parallel. See, this was the rise here. It has come out of this bullish channel. It is trading lower, but most importantly it has to trade below 3350 in order to confirm the drop here. Stochastic already at bottom. See, MACD after retracing highs, it has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2-hour charts, the 20 period moving average at 3360, offering it a very good support here, and thus this zone 3360, 3350 is what you should watch out for. In fact, I will recommend now you to sell at 3368 levels. When you see the higher prices below 3368, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 3360 and 3350. Once gold trades below 3350, stay short. Stay short for the next target at 3330, 32, then 3310, 12. And if these two levels are taken, stay short further for 3280, 3250 levels. Yes, if it stays below 3310, 3280 levels, we are ready for a massive drop. Possibility exists strong, because see, yesterday we drew this. If you see this was the parallel here. It has breached this, it has moved towards the, and now trying to look downwards. However, I will still not confirm the bearishness here as long as now 3300, 3310 is not taken. Stochastic looking downwards, it has come to an oversold zone. MACD after a good retracement, it is now crossing overs for sells, and this indicates that there is a possibility of further downside in gold prices. Forthcoming candles might be red in color, and which means more drop ahead. RSI coming out vertically and looking downwards. See what has happened here, what has happened here. It could replicate. If it moves towards the bottom, remember where the prices are going to be. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts here, first bearish candle, then the swing. The current candle is going to be decisive enough. We might see it hitting 3350 and in fact lower levels possible. See here, if you look at the moving averages after the crossover, is trading with divergence and it's still showing bullishness here. Notice after the retracement, it has crossed over on the upside, and hence that is why I say as long as now 3310, 3280 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. And once it trades below 3310, 3280, we can look forward to 3250 and in fact 3220, 3200 levels. Remember, the drop is going to be massive if it stays below 3280 and then 3250 levels. Stochastic looking vertically down. The MACD is extremely bullish, trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over, it is just trying to converge. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, one bearish candle closing at the bottom. The second one is here is a swing here, and the possibility exists that the next candle might remain bearish or might remain red in color, which could take the prices further down. The moving averages is crossed over on the buy side, and till 3310, 3280 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green. See, it is crossed over at the bottom. It is trading with divergence, and it is still having bullishness here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily, Now see on the daily charts, the gold has created a base here. You can see a strong support is created now at 3240. And thus it is very crucial for gold to trade below 3240 in order to confirm the reversal and below 3200 in order to confirm the drop here. Now see this what's happening. If you look at the move here, you can see every rise offsets with a retracement. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. After the retracement, it is now looking upwards and it is trading in the bullish channel here. So now possibility is high that again if you see it is staying beyond 3400, you can stay with the buys. Expect 3418, 3428, and then 3450 level should be there very soon. However, right now I will say, because we have already seen a very good move for last couple of days, and see the preceding candle closed with less than half of the current complete move, and it has started with a bullish note, now trying to erase some of the gains. Hence it is possible that it can erase all the gains from yesterday, and once it trades below 3330, 3310 zone, you can expect the bears to take over completely, and then possibly we can look forward to 3280 and in fact 3250, 3240 zone. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge. Yesterday also I mentioned on the daily charts, it is just trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. This convergence does not mean a reversal, this is just a trap for the buyers here. Yes, it could take the dip again today, and today it could be a massive drop if it stays below 3310, 3280 zone. The RSI is comfortable. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. 32nd batch started yesterday, day before yesterday. 33rd batch is announced in first week of June. Reserve your seats now. Connect with me. Write an email. Ping me your Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to just a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And those who just want to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, connect with me for your queries. So now considering this, where you should buy? I will now recommend you to buy at 3388 levels, where you can expect the next move towards 3396, 3402 zone. This is going to be a broader zone, and this is going to be a stronger resistance zone as well. And if at all it stays beyond 3402, you can stay bullish. You can expect it to move towards 3418, 3428, and then 3450 levels should be seen. Beyond 3450, close your eyes, stay bullish for 3500 levels possibly. Yes, double top levels can be seen if it stays above 3450 levels, and hence beyond 3450 do not think of selling gold. On the downside, you can sell here at 3260 levels, rather you can sell here at 3268 itself. Expect 3260, 3250, 32 30 32 as the next 30, oh sorry, 33 30 32 as the next, and then 3310 level should arrive. Below 3310 is where you can expect 3280 and lower levels. How low? 3250 and 40 is the strongest support on the downside. Any drop below 3240, it is bound to crash more towards 3200 and in fact lower levels. Be mindful of this. Yes, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well, but see, from 3380 to 3200 in a single day is going to be a difficult move. We have hardly seen such a move here, and hence you have to be careful. And it is possible that it can move towards 33 or 3280, but towards 3200 is extremely difficult. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts, likewise, rise retracement, rise retracement. Now it is very important to note that it has created the support yesterday towards $33 levels, and now it has breached this, and now I am just waiting for the higher price to trade below 3280. A move below 3280 should take it all the way towards 3260 and 3240 zone. A move below 3240 is a clear sign of correction, and any drop below 3240 should take it all the way towards 32, the strongest support here on the downside. Right now the moving averages are trading bullish. When you see the stochastic, this is looking downward. The MACD has also crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. On the 2 hour charts, when you look on the 2 hour charts, the prices were divergent here. It is converged towards the 20 period. Now let it trade below 20 period and median, that is 3280 levels. If you see the higher price trading below 3280, you can take a sell. Expect 3260, 3240, and then towards $32 levels. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD, after a good rise and retracement, it is willing to cross over for sell. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts. Now notice 4 to 5 candles struggled above 32 20 32 25 zone, and thus this zone has become critical for silver to break beyond. And if it stays beyond 33 20 33 30 zone, and if it stays beyond, we can possibly expect silver to move towards 33.60 33.70 levels, and if that is taken, then certainty is there for $34 levels. Though when you look at the move, you can see this a flat top reversal, preceding candle, a red candle, current candle. If it stays below 32.80, you can expect a further drop. Right now I can see a struggle here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, flat top, couple of bearish candles. The third candle should be there, and this might take the prices all the way towards 32.60 32.40, and a drop below 32.60 32.40 is a clear indication of further bearishness here, which might take it towards 32. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice it has formed a very strong base at $32 levels, but also notice what it is doing here. I have shared this several times. See, if you connect the highs, you can see this is how it has been trading, and this is how it has been trading. This is a long term channel which is bearish in nature, and thus a drop below 32 is going to bring strong bearish momentum, which might take the prices all the way towards $31 levels. Right now, too early to conclude with that. Also, let's focus on the current. See, after a series of bearish candle, it is bouncing back, and this is just the second candle which we had seen yesterday, and this is a bigger one as well. Now today it has started with the highs. This suggests that it could erase the gains from yesterday, and this suggests that the possibility is there that it can move towards 32.50 32.60 32.40 zone, and a drop below 32.40 is a clear sign of further correction. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to cross over for the buys, the RSI is running flat. So considering this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry has to be only beyond 33.20 33.30 levels. Beyond this, expect 33.50 33.60 at the first target zone, 34 as the next. If it stays beyond 34, stay bullish for 34.50 $35 levels. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 32.80 levels. When you see the higher prices below 32.80, take a sell. Expect it to move towards 32.60 32.40 and $32 levels. Below 32, it is going to correct sharp all the way towards 31.50 $31 levels very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.